In this video, we share everything you need to know about visiting and camping at Wheatley Provincial Park. And as a bonus, we are sharing the best possible campsite you can book at this provincial park. It is ginormous, waterfront, and completely private. Wheatley Provincial Park is known as Ontario's Deep South Provincial Park, and that's because it's at the same latitude as Northern California. This park has a drive-up check-in window. Simply head up to the window and let the attendant know the site number you're staying at to register your car. Now, much like all other provincial parks, you can start the registration process online by adding your name and license plate onto the online reservation system. This is a smaller campground, so the park store is actually located inside the registration office at the entrance to the park. Here you can get your firewood or kindling and a variety of camping items, souvenirs, Ontario Parks merchandise, and ice. If the park store happens to be closed and you do need to buy firewood, there is a self-serve fee station that lets you know the instructions on how to purchase and how much money each bag costs. Wheatley Provincial Park offers car camping in 4 campgrounds: Boozy Creek, Highlands, Middle Creek, and Two Creeks. Boozy Creek Campground is a semi-wilderness camping experience, and this campground has pretty much non-electrical sites. It is a very heavily treed area, and some roadways are really narrow, so this one is more ideal for tent camping versus large trailers. Highlands Campground has 44 electrical and 31 non-electrical campsites, but is more open and less wooded. Middle Creek Campground is completely electrical and has a few creekside campsites. And last but not least, Two Creeks Campground is almost completely surrounded by a creek and provides many creekside camping opportunities. Comfort stations are available in 3 out of the 4 campgrounds: Boozy Creek, Highlands, and Two Creeks. The Highlands and Two Creeks comfort stations are located in areas that are still easily accessible by the Middle Creek campers as well. All of the comfort stations are equipped with flush toilets and showers. Access to the beach is located in the Two Creeks campground. There's a footbridge to the beach that takes you through the creek all the way to the other side onto Lake Erie. The beach itself isn't that large, but it does give you the opportunity to sit down and relax, go for a swim, or walk along the shore. There are 2 hiking trails located in the park, one along the creek system and the other one through the Carolinian forest of oak, hickory, tulip, and other types of trees. I personally didn't do a lot of hiking during my trip, but I did find that there was a lot of birds around and very many different species of birds. I'm not really into birding, but I had a great time watching the birds fly around my campsite. This park by far has one of the best campsites we have ever managed to book at a provincial park. This campsite has its own driveway that takes you directly into a massive waterfront site. With lots of privacy, gorgeous creekside views, and an abundance of space to spread out, it is no wonder that people want to book this particular site. To find out more about this campsite, check out our Best Campsite at Ontario Parks video found here. Wheatley Provincial Park is definitely a smaller park, so if you're looking for a lot more adventuring around hikes and bikes, this may not be the park for you. But if you're looking to sit back, relax, get on the lake or in the creek, do some bird watching, or just sitting by a campfire, this is definitely an awesome place to add to your list. If you're looking for other campground reviews, check out our Ontario Parks Campground Reviews playlist. And if you're looking for general camping content such as camping meal ideas or camping at different areas, check out our other camping playlists.